In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a return and refund policy on Wix. Having a clear return and refund policy on your website is an essential part of building trust with your customers. It not only helps establish transparency, but also ensures a smooth experience for both you and your buyers in case they need to return a product or request a refund. Whether you're running an online store or offering services, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your website. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen there. You'll find a series of icons that represent different tools and features you can use to build your site. What you're looking for specifically is the page icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've opened the page menu, the next step is to add a new page to your website. To do this, simply click on the Add Page button. When you do, you'll be presented with a few options. For this type of page, we'll want to go with a blank page, so go ahead and select the blank page option. Once you've added your blank page, it's time to name it. Naming your page is important as it helps both you and your visitors understand its purpose. At the top of the page, you'll see a field where you can type in the name, type return and refund here, so it's clear what the page is all about. Once you've done that, your new page is officially set up and ready to be customized. Next, let's start designing the content of the page. To do that, find the plus icon in the editor, which is used to add new elements to your site. Click on it, and you'll see a menu appear with a variety of content options. From here, select Text. This will allow you to add the written content that your customers will see. The first thing we'll add is a title for the page. Choose the title theme from the text options. This will create a large, bold header that stands out on the page. Once the title is added, click on the text box to edit it. Here you'll want it to type Return and Refund Policy as the header of the page. This makes it clear to visitors what this page is all about. Now that we've added the title, it's time to include the actual policy details. Go back to the text options by clicking Text again. But this time, choose a paragraph theme. The paragraph theme is ideal for adding the body text of your policy because it aligns with the overall visual style of your site. Once the paragraph box is added to your page, click on it to edit the content. In the text editor, you'll write out your return and refund policy. Make sure your policy is clear, concise, and easy to understand. Include details such as the eligibility criteria for returns, the time frame for refunds, and any additional steps customers need to follow. The more straightforward and transparent your policy is, the better your customers will feel about doing business with you. Finally, once your content is written and you're happy with how the page looks, it's time to publish it. Publishing the page makes it live on your website so that your customers can access it. Look for the Publish button in the editor and click it to complete the process. Once published, your return and refund policy page will be visible to your visitors, enhancing their trust and your website's professionalism. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a return and refund policy page to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.